have another beauty unboxing from Chanel. If you want to see what that is, guys, then keep on watching. Hi guys, it's Jan from Jandle in the City. If you're new to my channel or if you're returning, welcome or welcome back. I want to thank you for stopping by. I greatly appreciate it. If you haven't yet subscribed to the channel, please click that notification bell, hit that subscribe button, and you'll know when I've uploaded new videos. So if you like the content, guys, keep on watching. So we're going to start with the bag, what the items are inside. The first item that I want to share with you is this gorgeous bar of soap, Chanel number 5. Look at the packaging. They never disappoint. It is just gorgeous. Let's go ahead, guys. We'll open it up. I can smell it from here. Just gorgeous. Go ahead and take it out of the box. There it is, guys. I love the oval shape on it, and I like how it's sealed. It does have the seal back there, and the smell of this is just amazing. I love their soap. So that's the first item, guys. The second item, guys, that I picked up, and this is the Healthy Glow Sheer Color Stick. Let's go ahead, guys. We'll remove the top to reveal the color. There is the gorgeous color. And it's like a corally pink. You can see it there. Just gorgeous. I like how the top, you could move it up or down to protect it so it doesn't get broken off or squashed. And I love the magnetic top on that. That is the Chanel Sheer Blush. So the next item that I want to share with you is their eyelash curler. This is the first time that I have purchased the eyelash curler, or the first time that I have actually tried it. I have used it today, and I must say I am impressed with it. I've tried ones before, but I really like this one, guys. I've been using my one from high school, which is extremely old. And I love this one here because it's extremely tight. It really curls the eyelashes up. So if you haven't purchased this one yet, guys, maybe go ahead and purchase it. If you have already, leave me a comment below on your pros and cons on this eyelash curler from Chanel. It also does come with 2 refills, which is really nice to get. So I'm not sure, do they sell these refills separately, or do you have to buy a whole new eyelash curler when these ones wear out? So let's go ahead and open up this one. This one, like I said, I did order it through my SA Zane in Ontario because we didn't have any of them here. So let's go ahead and we will unbox this one together, guys. And the Chanel store is in the mall called Holt Renfrew, and their website is holtrenfrew.com. They did send me, it looks like, some Chanel samples here. So there you go, guys. It is some face lotion, 2 different kinds, which was nice of him to do that. And it does come in this little Holt Renfrew bag. Let me go ahead and get rid of the box. And there is my proof of purchase. And he does have a little note here. Any guesses, guys, to what this item might be? Let's go ahead and take it out of the small bag. First one will be a nail polish from the new collection. This one is number 129. And we'll open it up. Take it out of the beautiful packaging. Look at this one, guys. Put it up against the box so you can get a better look. It is their yellow. I am not going to swatch it today, but there's the gorgeous, gorgeous nail color. These ones are all sold out. They didn't come to Vancouver, so I had to order it and have it shipped 3 provinces over from me. So I'm so happy that I was able to get that. Then the next item is in some tissue. Another one of their mirrors. It is also in the color 129. These are so hard to get, guys. So there's the box that it comes in, guys. I like how it comes in the little pouch. You know, I really wish that Chanel would have put the colors of whatever you were purchasing in the same color as their packaging. That would be really, really nice. Here it is, guys, in this gorgeous yellow color. Is that not stunning? I am not going to open it up because I don't want to blind you. But there's that, the beautiful mirror, guys. And I do have it also in the green with also the matching green nail polish. So now I do have 2 of them. They're hard to get, and I have the matching nail polish. So I'm so happy that I was able to get a second one. So if you haven't subscribed to the channel yet, guys, please hit that subscribe button, click that notification bell, and you'll know when I've uploaded new videos. So remember, define your style. Don't be afraid to express it, because that's who you are. Have an amazing day, guys. Bye-bye.